Last time we took an example of a lady. Now this is example of a man. The similar structures we will find it here. So first we will make the basic arrangement of the sitting arrangement. Say there is a gladiator who is sitting over there, a masculine man. How the bone would be there, where the how the ulna would be established there, and then all the bones in the finger. So if you look into all this part, so the collarbone, how the deep structure is there, and how we are going inside the rib and making it visible for it as little bit of it, and then again the chest comes in, and then I try to make one more line for the other muscles, and then we make that is more muscular one, and at the same time the other fingers we can see it across, and a little bit of cloth which is wrapped around his lower torso, and then the light is flowing through the other part from the right side of the man, and then how the muscle and chest and everything is popped up, the abs, but not the abs the way we are looking into it, but again the upper abs is visible, the shoulder line, the trapezius, everything is popping up, and that you create the tension in the muscle, but yet it's a little relaxed one because he's resting and looking a little bit ahead, and that aggressiveness is there, but there is a calmness on the face. All those things you bring in, but what we are learning from here is that if you have an understanding on the bone structure, then you can play around with any kind of human body and references, and you can do your own composition. You may not have to get someone in front of you and take a photograph. See, everybody is not rich, so what they need is to do is that they cannot afford a model and then photographer and editing and all. He or she can work on this kind of learning process and use their own reference by thinking from their mind, and they can create this light and shadow and a beautiful structures like this, and then you can work on it. So this is just for an example which you have made it, and if you can keep trying the bones of seen bone or the femur, I know it will give you a more idea about human body and how the uh, knee looks like. If you really enjoyed it, click and comment like.